Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video we will learn how to make Neumorphic UI design in Figma. For this video we will be designing a simple button. Now without wasting time, let's get started after this intro. First of all, we will open Figma and create a new file by clicking on New Design File. Here you can see a new design file is created. Now we will create a frame here. Let's just make it a 1080 by 1080 pixel frame. Here you can see we have it. I will give the frame a bit darker color. It seems good to me. Now I will create a rectangle. And I will align it now. I will make the corner radius 200. It seems good. Now add the first draft shadow by using the effects panel. You can copy the following values to get the exact result as I got. I will make the x value -10, y value -10 too, blur 30, spread 0, and I will give it a white color, and I will make the opacity to 100%. As you can see, we have added a highlight to our button element. Now it's time to add a shadow to make it look neumorphic. Add another drop shadow, and again just copy the values that I write here. I will make the x value 10, y value 10, give a blur of 30, spread 0, and I will make the shadow color this AEC0. It seems good, and I will make the opacity 100%. Here you can see we have achieved our neumorphic look. I have added some text so you can understand it better. So friends, this was today's video. If you learned something from this video, please like the video, and a sub to the channel would be beautiful. See you in the next video. I am Hamid signing out.